Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to stop notification from application that we have installed. So let's get started. Go to setting on your phone. Now I can see here notifications, this button, and you can search for notification from search bar. Search for notification, this one. So click on notifications, click on more. Now these are the app that frequently sending me notification, but these apps are important for me and notification are important for me. For example, you don't need to turn off notification for messages, WhatsApp, Google Play services. These all are important for me, but some application that I might not like for example games. So I don't want notification from games app, so I can turn it off from here. So you can turn on or turn off notification from any app that we have installed. So thank you for watching and please subscribe my channel.